Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be taking you through the Digibyte website. Digibyte has become the world's fastest, longest and most decentralized UTXO blockchain today. Become part of a decentralized digital future. Digibyte is a more secure, faster and forward-thinking blockchain technology. More secure, faster transactions, forward-thinking. What is Digibyte? High, secure and scalable, industry-leading transaction speeds. You can click this button to learn more. Get your first Digibytes today. Manage and securely store your Digibytes. You can download it on Windows, Apple OS, Android, Chrome, Linux, and iOS. Coming soon. You can click this button to get a wallet here. Use your Digibytes. Start trading Digibytes for goods and services through an increasing number of merchants and innovative application. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and you can also go to the Weird Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.